Hello, I am Miss Tell It Like It Is. I hope everybody's doing wonderful out there because I am doing wonderful. You know, I had a taste for some fish, some salmon, okay? And I had a taste for some fried salmon, okay? I've always grilled salmon or baked salmon, but I've never fried it. So I said I wanted to try it and see how it turns out, okay? And I had this taste, this acquired taste, that I could just imagine. Like, I wanted my salmon to be, you know, sweet, but like tangy, lemony, and with a seafood taste, and fried and crunchy. And I could just taste those seasonings coming together on my taste buds. Okay, I could taste them seasonings coming together, but the question is once I try this, are those seasonings going to really come together? So I'm gonna really tell you the truth, baby. This is an experiment, okay? So if it turns out right, I'm gonna tell you. And if it doesn't, Miss Tell It Like It Is gonna tell you, don't ever try it, okay? But the best thing is that I am the guinea pig for this cooking experience, okay? All right, let me get it together here because I gotta get the fish. I got the fish and a couple of pieces of salmon, okay? Well, actually, it's 4 pieces, okay, of salmon. Let me put that down like that. I'm gonna wash my hands, yeah. I love to wash my hands in the kitchen because it's just the right thing to do, okay? I'm gonna make some rice. And I'm gonna make some yellow rice, okay? In fact, this Tony Cacker's Creole Foods Creole Rice dinner mix, yellow mixed rice, okay? See it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Hey, do you see it? Do you see it? Okay, so first of all, I have my water boiling, so I'm just gonna open up this rice first, okay? And I'm just gonna put the rice on in there. I hope everybody's been being positive. I hope everybody's, just keeping your head up because it's so important. It's so important, okay? Especially in the day and time we live in. You must think positive, you all. You must think positive. And I know sometimes it's not always easy to think positive, okay? But when you find yourself going over into the negative zone, tell yourself, I'm coming on back over to the positive zone. I can't do that. In fact, I'm gonna cook two boxes because I'm actually cooking for me and my daughter, okay? Yeah. I'm only cooking for 4 pieces of salmon because it's just me and her, and when it comes down to seafood, you can't save it. Okay, so it's not like I'm gonna cook a lot. Yeah. Yep. So, spoon here. How y'all like my little outfit, huh? Da-da, 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 da-da. Not bad for 52, right? Not bad. And I know y'all probably think I'm conceited, but I'm really not. I'm really not. I'm just, I'm proud of my age, okay? You got some women and you got some men that don't want to tell their age because society puts such a stigma on being older. But baby, when it comes to Miss Tell It Like It Is being older, I'll tell you in a minute, baby. I'm like a well marinated steak, marinated in the spices of life, baby. I'm seasoned, okay? And I am not afraid to say it, okay? I'm not afraid to say my age, okay? Because along with my age came wisdom, okay? And more knowledge. And I just wish I had it when I was younger. But guess what? Hey, we all have to grow, live, and learn, okay? I'm just stirring up this rice here. Yeah. I'm just gonna let that boil, okay? So you all, this may sound a little weird, but I told you I wanted a sweet taste with a little like tangy, spicy seafood taste. So I came up with this little idea. I pray it works. I'm gonna put my fish and some honey, okay? And then after I put it in the honey, I'm going to take some lemon pepper seasoning. Can you see that? Lemon pepper seasoning. And I'm going to put it on the fish. And after I do that, to get that seafood taste, I'm going to do the Old Bay seasoning for seafood, poultry, salads, and meats. Okay? And then I'm going to put some Progresso breadcrumbs, garlic, and herb on the fish. Okay? And then I'm going to take this gluten-free all-purpose flour blend. Okay? Pillsbury best. Okay? Along with the Dixie Lily medium and rich white stone group cornmeal. I'm going to mix them together. And I'm going to dip my fish in there, okay? And then I'm probably going to add a little bit more, breadcrumbs to it. This garlic herb breadcrumbs. And then I'm going to put it down in the hot grease. And pray it turns out right, okay? This is called an experiment, okay? An experiment. So, let me start, okay? Oh, also, I got some broccoli here, y'all. I'm going to steam my broccoli with some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna saute it in this skillet over here. And this may sound so strange to y'all. I'm going to take this Grill Mate Smokehouse Maple Seasoning for steaks. Oh, excuse me. And I'm going to put it with this while I saute it in this pan. It gives it a really nice taste, a really nice flavor, okay? So, let me start, okay? I'm going to do my oil last, you all. After I do my fish, I'm going to put my oil in there because I do not want my oil burning, okay, while I'm doing all this stuff, while I'm doing this experiment, because that's exactly what it is, okay? It's an experiment. But you know, when you experiment things, a lot of times they turn out really good, okay? So I'm being positive here, okay? So I'm getting ready to take my fish. I already got my honey in here, okay? Pray for me, y'all. Pray. Pray it turns out right. I'm taking my fish and I'm dipping it down in the honey. In fact, so I don't get it all messy, I'm going to use this brush and I'm just going to brush the fish just like this in the honey. I know y'all probably like, what the heck is Miss Taylor like it is doing? What is she doing? I don't even know, y'all. But I'm praying it turns out right. Okay? Like I said, I'm going to be honest with y'all. If it don't turn out right, I'm going to tell y'all. I'm going to tell y'all, don't try it, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all, just, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the conversation. But the cooking was a flop, okay? I will be honest with you because I don't want to tell nobody to do something that didn't turn out right. I'm taking this other piece of fish and I'm putting it in this honey. Honey, baby. Honey. And I'm just brushing that fish. Okay? Yeah. Are y'all crossing y'all fingers for me? I hope so. I hope so. I got some more. Like I said, I'm only doing 4 pieces because I'm only cooking for me and my daughter. And, you know, one thing about seafood, I do not play with seafood. Some people be like, well, saving fish overnight? Oh, no, baby. If I don't eat it then, that same day, it's not happening. And I don't believe in wasting food, so I cook just enough, not too much. So I'm putting this honey on here. And experiments, y'all. Experiments. Gotta put the honey. Gotta put the honey on the fish, y'all. So I'm gonna take this over here. And I'm gonna wash my hands, okay? Yep. And then, okay, I'm going to here's the fish, y'all. That's the salmon. I told you I'm gonna take some lemon pepper seasoning and I'm gonna put it on the salmon. Da 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 da. Like I said, I have never, ever fried salmon, but Let's see what it turns out to be, y'all. Okay, I put the lemon pepper on it. I'll go wash my hands again. Then I'm going to put this Old Bay seasoning seafood poultry on it. Okay. Really, when I look at how small these pieces are, y'all, I really could have cooked some more, but I didn't want to be greedy, you know. I thought 2 pieces of fish good enough for me and my kid. Wash my hands again. I do a lot of washing hands, baby. A lot of washing hands. Okay, and then I'm going to take the breadcrumbs, okay? Breadcrumbs, progressive breadcrumbs, garlic and herb. And I'm going to put it over the fish. Yeah. Turn down my rice. Okay. I hope I'm praying, y'all. I'm praying this turns out good, okay? I really am. I'm praying it turns out good. Yes. In fact, let me rinse my hands. Wash my hands. And I'm going to put a little bit more breadcrumbs. Yeah, I'm going to put just a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. I better get my grease to boil, right? Like I said, I didn't want it to burn up. I really didn't, y'all. So I was like, that's going to be the last thing I do. I bet you this is going to turn out good because it already smells good. And it's raw, you know? Wash my hands. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead on and get my cornmeal on in here. The cornmeal along with the gluten-free flour mixed together. makes the fish crunchy, you know. I like my fish to be crunchy. Rice is already cooked. So that's why I'm mixing it together. Like I said, I never, ever, ever fried salmon before. So this is definitely an experiment. I know I keep saying it, y'all, but it's true. It is an experiment. Let me turn this on because I'm going to start putting my, this is the fish right here. It's all battered. Start stirring my cornmeal and gluten-free flour together. Go ahead on and start heating up my skillet. Heating it up, baby. Heating it up, baby. Yes. Skillet up. Once it gets good and heated, I'm gonna cook my 100% pure vegetable oil in the skillet and let it get hot. Yeah. I rinsed the skillet, so I'm waiting until, like, you know, all the water evaporates from the heat, so I don't put this oil in there and then everything goes to popping. We have fireworks everywhere. We don't want that, okay? So, putting my oil in. Putting my oil in. Crap. Okay, now. I'll put a little bit more. Yeah. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Pray for me. You know what? I have a feeling it's gonna turn out good. Okay? Yes. I really do. Yeah. While that is getting, you know, hot grease, the oil, I'm just gonna go ahead on and take my fish and I'm gonna put it on down in this flour and cornmeal. Y'all, I love to dance. Y'all have to come and see me on my TikTok, okay? I do have a TikTok. All right, I'm baby 678. 67804. Yeah. Baby 67804. For y'all that have TikTok, I have a TikTok, okay? I'll be doing a little bit of everything on my TikTok. I got one piece of fish. The oil is hot. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead on and batter all of these pieces of fish. My daughter probably gonna come out the room soon, y'all. Because you know I told you. That's the only time y'all will ever see her. When she's hungry. Okay, the food is coming. It's coming. It's coming. I'm gonna go ahead and put this piece of fish in there. Sit, pray. Oh, it smells good, y'all. Smelling good already. But the thing is, does it taste good? If it doesn't taste good, my daughter's gonna be mad at me. She's gonna be like, Mom, why were you experimenting with our food? So I want another taste. I want a different taste. Okay? Sometimes to get a different taste, you have to experiment. You know? Put all 4 pieces down in there, y'all. And now, I'm praying. I'm praying. Let me clean up this mess, okay? Let me clean up. Some people clean up the kitchen as they go. I'm one of those people. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I'm not going to sit up here and lie to y'all. Sometimes after I cook, the kitchen looks like who did it and what for. And sometimes I just, clean it as I go. Fish is frying. It smells good though, for real. I'm telling you. Ooh, smells good. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Ooh. Get this broccoli ready. See? It smells good so far, y'all. I always do a second video to show you how it looks. Yeah. Getting this broccoli together. Look at those big old pieces of broccoli. I love broccoli, y'all. I really do. I'm addicted to broccoli. I don't know what it is. I don't know what I crave in it, but it's like I really have to have broccoli. Like for real, for real. So I'm just cutting up my broccoli while this fish is frying, while the salmon is frying. sometimes I eat broccoli, raw too. I wish I lived out on a farm somewhere, y'all, so I could just grow my vegetables. This looks so different. This looks like chicken, y'all. Yes. Almost looks like chicken. So like I said, it smells really, really, really good. So I think my taste buds wasn't leading me wrong. I can tell y'all how it tastes, trust me. Like I said, y'all, this don't even look like no doggone fish. It looks like chicken. Like the pimp yard bird. But it smells divine. Divine. Wow. I'm so goofy. I'm so goofy. I'm a big kid at heart. See, that's what keeps you young, too. Let me tell you something. The secret to keeping you looking younger is stop taking life so doggone serious. You know how some people can never laugh? They can never let down their hair. They're always so serious. Yes. You can't be serious all the time, y'all. You gotta learn to laugh and be happy. Don't get me wrong, none of us is happy all the time, okay? None of us. But I'm telling you, even when unfortunate things come your way and happen to you, baby, you have to just, pray about it. Ask the Creator to help you through it. And let it go. Gotta let it go, baby. Can't hold on to it. Okay? Because when you hold on to stuff, it can destroy you. I'm just ready to take this fish out the skillet. I got this plate holding it up and everything. It's still cooking, y'all. Like I said, I don't know how it's going. Going out. An experiment. I never did it before. But it smells good. The salmon smells so good, y'all. I think it's ready to come out. I said it looks like chicken, y'all. It looks like chicken. I'm going to do a second video of it. Smells really good. It really does. It smells so good. Turn it on. Now I'm going to do my broccoli. Okay. Turn this on over here. And I'm going to, told y'all, I'm going to use my extra virgin olive oil for stir frying. See something in my skillet. Sure it's going out. Turn this on. Let that water evaporate. 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 Smells good, y'all. I can't wait to taste it. I just want everything else, you know, like I said, just the broccoli here. I am not a bread person, okay? I'm not a bread person. You will never, ever, ever see me cook cornbread, okay? Never. Like, it's just, I don't know. Just not a bread person. Just not a bread person. Some people eat bread, just tear bread up, okay? And I'm gonna tell you something about that bread. It will stick to you, baby. It will stick to your hips, your thighs, your butt, your breast, okay? And for your men, it will stick to your gut. Nothing wrong with some bread, but eating too much of it, honey, it will put some serious weight on you, okay? Because I used to eat I like Nutella, okay? I love Nutella. I have, in my cabinet, I have a whole big old jar of Nutella, okay? And I used to take bread and put just Nutella on it and just eat it and eat it. And after I knew, baby, I was blowing up. I mean, I was blowing up and quick. I'm like, okay, wait a minute. I need to stop. This is getting out of hand. I'm just waiting until my skillet. Let me take this off the stove. Let's put this on the back. Waiting until the water evaporates from the heat. Smells good, y'all. I will do a second video and show you how it looks. Like I said, it is fried salmon, okay? And I believe it turned out good. The way it smells, baby, it is no way this fish could be nasty, okay? No way. I'm telling you. Yep. Dang, why is it taking so long? Jeez. On. Evaporate, please. I'm ready to put my broccoli in. I'm going to be giving y'all some more videos of exercising soon, okay? I've been exercising off and on, but I have not been sticking to it like I said I was, okay? I'm telling you, I really have to motivate myself to do it. It's not like something like I get up in the morning and be like, oh, I want to exercise today. I just want to exercise, you know? I'm one of them people that got to really force myself to do it, y'all. Yes. And the way I eat, baby, I should be big as a house, for real. People who know me, they know I love to eat. And I do, I eat. And when I eat, I eat. Putting my little olive oil in here. I'm going to let it get warm. Let it get hot. I'm just going to put my broccoli on in there. Yep. I look at myself every day and I'm like, I never can believe that I got tattoos, y'all. I just can't believe I did it. I was a person that told myself that I would never, ever, ever get a tattoo. But I did. Uh-oh. I'm going to put that seasoning on it, y'all. I'm using grilled smokehouse maple seasoning for steak. It tastes good as hell on broccoli. I'm telling y'all. Try it. Sounds weird, I know. But it really tastes good. In fact, I'm going to put some black pepper in it too. Seasoning in there. I will do a second video, you all. I really will. Yep, I will do a second video and show you how it turned out. In fact, you know what? I'm going to taste a little piece so I can tell y'all how it tastes right now. Okay? It's not going to hurt to taste a little piece of this fish. good. It's good, y'all. Wow, it's good. It is good, good. My experiment turned out good. That's this broccoli just done. And my daughter's gonna eat. I will come back with a sexy video showing you how it turned out. And let's tell it how it is. I will come back with a second video. You all take care. Toodles.